Destabilization is if the government is extremely corrupt, it destabilizes itself, di ba?
If the government is extremely corrupt and getting the money of the people, mga opisyal nila into their pocket, then it's all about money and politics. Yan. Yung nakaupo dyan yung iba, nailik yan PDP. Ang nagtao ang buto niyan, pumunta kasi PDP. Ngayon, bakit lahat halos wala na? Nagpunta doon yung sa nakaupo doon. Siya yung may hawak ng pera eh. Siya yung tigabigay, pork barrel. So ito, makikita ninyo mga Pilipino, compare yung buhay nila during the first, second, and third. Bahay nila nung pag-umpisa pati bahay nila. Kotse nila. Lifetime, relo. Karamihan gold. Rolex gold talaga yan. Tapos yan, we'll defend the speaker because the institution. The institution of Congress will always remain pure and let me walang problema. It's the membership from time to time. And depende yan sa speaker kung corrupt o hindi. Pagka-corrupt ang speaker, ubos ang pera. Ako na presidente ako, bilyon ang hinawakan ko. Di sana ng Mercedes-Benz na ako dito. Tingnan niyo yung bahay ko. Napunta na ng pastor. Ang nag-blessing niyan si pastor. Kayong buhay pa nandyan, sila Ingrid, hindi kami magkasya lahat doon sa bahay nung nagkain kami.
It's the same house until now. I'd like to make a statement to insinuating that the Dutertes, Inday and the former president are into corruption. You know, you picked the wrong issue. You could have picked any other issues but not this one. And the Philippines know them because he became a president. Look at the way the former president lived. And Inday, very frugal, very simple. So, your life tells who you are.